All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we've got another Seiko unboxing. I know you guys always like Seiko unboxings. Now, I got this watch from shopping in Japan. I've had a lot of good luck getting watches from them. They're pretty much my favorite company anymore lately to buy real Japanese Seikos or JDM style Seikos from. Now, this is a limited edition watch. This watch has been around for quite a while. I don't think it's all that popular, to be honest with you, as far as limited editions go, but I kind of like the quirky stuff. I like the oddballs and kind of the different watches there. So being super careful here with my knife, probably too careful if I can even get the box open. But I've liked these watches since day one when they came out. And so went ahead and picked one up. So let's check it out. And inside the box, as usual, we've got our shopping in Japan paperwork here. This is pretty neat. Some big time tempting stuff here. Some of their G-Shocks, which is pretty cool. These are probably, oh wow, this is a whole fold out, so have to take a look at this when I'm off camera. I already see some squares down there that look pretty neat and whatnot, so I'll go ahead and throw that off to the side. Again, I got a $20 off my next purchase, which I actually used for this purchase. I had a $20 off coupon, and I used it on this watch. So go ahead and set the box aside over here. Get all this exciting paper out of the way. I'm sure you guys are always excited to see that. And go ahead and use the CRKT to get the plastic opened up and pull this watch on out. So I guess you guys just can tell at this point I'm just a Seiko maniac. I just can't stand not having new Seikos in my life. I do need to get rid of some because there's quite a few that I'm just not wearing anymore, and so I'm probably going to have kind of a big watch sale here coming up on the channel in the future. So typical Seiko box, nothing special going on here, and let's go ahead and pull it open. Going to get your paperwork, obviously here. Again, nothing special. Instructions, I don't see any warranty card in there. Perhaps there is not one, and let's go ahead and check it out. So this is a different one, and I've never owned a watch from, this is a designer. This is a designer that has a big part of this watch, and I'll probably butcher the name, but let's go ahead and check it out. So, all right. And there it is. So this is the, gosh, I don't even, off the top of my head, I can't even remember the reference number on this watch, but this is the Giugiaro, I think is the name of the designer that has a lot to do with these watches. You know, back in the 80s and 90s with the Alien movies, he designed one of the watches that Ripley was wearing in the movie. And so he's had a lot of design influence with Seiko over the years, this being one of them, this completely offset diver. And it's just a really cool looking watch. I've been kind of keeping my eye on them since they came out. I don't know if that bezel lines up good. Yeah, it lines up good. So I've had my eye on them for probably the last year at least. They make this one. I think they make a gold one, and they make a couple different color variations, but really neat looking watches. Gotta love the 8 o'clock crown over here. It's always just, or it's actually a 7 o'clock crown if you look at it just right. But it's just a neat watch. I'm always have been a fan of Seiko quartz watches ever since I was a kid. I've always had a Seiko quartz watch, and I've never had a problem with them. I've had the battery replaced numerous times, never had a Seiko watch leak on me. Now, I'm not a diver, but I've never had a problem. So what I wanted to do was just kind of show you these watches, or this watch really quick. Like I said, it's just going to be a quick unboxing. And does it say, yes, there's the Giugiaro design. These are cased in China, made in, movements from Japan. I don't see anything about limited edition, though. I thought these were like 2000 made, but I don't see any numbers there. Oh no, it's right down there at the bottom. There it is. This is 1587 of only 2000 made. So limited edition piece, and it's actually a numbered limited edition piece, which is pretty rare from Seiko. But so I'm excited about that. That's part of the reason why I picked this watch up. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys the watch. Stay tuned to the channel. I will do a full review of it. The strap is different. Definitely a different feeling strap. Very, I don't know, very techno 80s look to it and feel to it. Love the case design, the way they've done this, integrating the plastic, the polymer into the case on the side. Definitely makes it feel like a tough watch. But another good looking diving watch from Seiko. Guys, stay tuned for the full review. This has been the unboxing of the Seiko Giugiaro. Again, sorry if I'm butchering that. And here is the reference number here, the SBEE001. And I picked this one up from shopping in Japan. And there's your reference number, the caliber of the movement, the 7N36, I do believe is what that says. So All right, guys, so that's it. That's unboxing of this new Seiko in the collection. Definitely cool watch. Stay tuned, and we will get a full review of this watch within the next few weeks. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.